What's up, Block fam? In the garage, and today I'm going to be installing the comfort seat from Yamaha on the new 2021 Yamaha MT-09 SP. So this is the stock seat, and everybody recommends the comfort seat, which is what we have here. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, install it on the bike, and then head to bike night, and we'll talk about it on the way, you know, see if it's actually worth the couple of $100 that this cost to upgrade. And roll the intro. The 2021 Yamaha MT-09 SP, the comfort seat, tons of people recommend it. Previously rode a Yamaha MT-10, which had the comfort seat, and the owner recommended it very highly. Also rode an MT-09 from my buddy Javi. He also ended up getting the comfort seat. Apparently it's one of those things that's really hard to come by. However, since this bike just came out, not a lot of people have it, it was available. So go ahead and take this comfort seat out, and we will look at some of the differences. Oh, it comes with directions. Installation. Remove the original seat, transfer any tools, align the latch, blah blah blah. Super easy. Alright, so let's go ahead, unwrap this thing. There's a difference in seats, guys. I don't know, definitely different material. It feels kind of like the same material here as to what the entire seat feels here, but then it has like this is a little tougher, not quite as tough as like this one. And then I'm sure it has like different padding. Yeah. That's a noticeable difference in feel, just pressing down into it just with my hand versus this one. This one definitely feels a lot tougher. So let's go ahead, uninstall this one. Never know which way to turn this thing. There we go. Go ahead and flip this over. We'll take some of these documents and tools out. Okay, that's the old seat and the new. Looks like we need that metal piece from the front too. This one. Here we go. I think it's it, right? Yeah, there we go. And then just line up the latches. Line everything up here in the back. Ta-da! Comfort seat on. All right. Don't forget the key down there. Let's go ahead and get on the road. Let's do a fancy little transition like. All right, guys, headed to bike night, and I can tell you right off the bat, I've been riding with the seat for, I don't know, maybe about 10 minutes or so, and incredibly noticeable difference in comfort. Obviously, seat comfort or comfort on the butt.
Shake that healthy butt. Baby got ballet feet with the open boot.
Yeah, it's funny because like the last seat, you can feel like a bit more of like pressure points on your tailbone. And this one, it's just, I mean, I'm assuming it's got like the gel built into it. And it just feels so much better. It's pretty much the same shape. I mean, there's not like a back to it. Like with the MT-10, I know it kind of, instead of just like going straight back, it went up and there was like a little ridge to it, which I think with the MT-10, that's probably a bit more needed just because of the power of the bike, maybe. I mean, this one's plenty powerful too, but the comfort seat on the MT-10 that I rode was awesome. The comfort seat on the old MT-09, well, I say old, I think it was like a 2017, 2018 model, which is Javi's bike. He had the comfort seat, awesome as well. And I mean, I put, let's see what my mileage was on this bike. I want to say like 200 something miles. Yeah, 256 miles as of now, which means on the old seat, I probably put, I don't know, I think it was like 251 miles right about. So, you know, I got a good amount of experience with it, and it was one of those things where I was like, yeah, I don't mind it. It's not that bad. It's not like amazing, but dude, the difference in the before and after, yeah, it's noticeable. Would recommend. Obviously, like, easy installation. Just transfer all the tools and the little bands over and whatever information you've got. Like in my stuff, I had my registration and insurance and sort of little toolkit that they give you, and that's, I mean, it's pretty much it. There's nothing to like a seat installation. It's like installing a gas cap. pretty straightforward. Headed to bike night. I mean, this really isn't going to be that long of a video, guys. Hopefully I don't know, it's able to answer most of those questions. Like, is it worth it? Yeah, definitely, especially if you're doing some distance on them, you know. Let's go ahead and we'll continue on the ride to Ace Cafe Bike Night. Yeah! It's a very special smell down here at the intersection of Colonial and OBT. For any of you out there that know Central Florida and know Orlando at that, yeah, Colonial and OBT, that's a very special intersection, so I guess it is all too fitting for it to also smell special. Alright, comfort seat. Oh, look at that. Bunched up a little bit. Yeah, the last seat did that too. Gotta pull it back. Yeah, I like it. Do I think it's worth it? Yup, for sure. Especially considering that seats from other manufacturers and stuff like cost you way more. So like Harley-Davidson seats, if you're looking to upgrade, you're talking like $300 to $400 usually. So the fact that this one's like what, $2 something from Yamaha, pretty awesome. Definitely recommend it. I like it. Feels good. Noticeable difference. All right, well, if you guys have any questions on it, let me know. Post them down in the comments below. Pretty easy install. You guys saw me do it, no time, right there in the beginning. And yeah, just thoughts and opinions. I don't know, I'll follow up and do like a long-term review, I guess, maybe, but I mean, I can pretty much tell you it's worth it. So do it, order it, good stuff. If you guys liked the video, if you were looking for this content and all that, you're just looking for like, I don't know, some details of this thing, post up, let me know. If you guys have experience with Yamaha's comfort seats, post up down in the comments below, let me know. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you found it useful, do me a favor, hit that like button. Helps out the channel, tells YouTube that we're doing a good job over here. If you guys want to continue to see Moto content like this, hit the subscribe button as well, hit the bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, ride safe, stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.